Hey everybody, it's Rylan Lindley here with MarineMax in Louisville, and today I'm standing next to our beautifully used 2015 Sea Ray 350 SLX. This boat is equipped with twin V8s with Bravo 3 outdrives. You are going to find some beautiful underwater LEDs on the bottom of the boat, as well as a hydraulic submersible swim platform. Amazing back of the boat. Sea Ray really likes to make the stern really a social area for everybody hanging out. And if you notice too, we do have some major trim tabs with a dynamic running surface. So that is going to automatically level your boat for you on the fly. So let's go in and take another closer look. We have the sea deck on the back of the boat, which is no service, really soft to the touch, and it does not get hot, so you can stand up here just fine. We are going to have this boat with the upgraded Rockford Fosgate stereo system, so you are going to have two speakers right here facing out, some really nice back loungers, and then a nice insulated cooler right here on the side. So like I said, the back of the boat is awesome to hang out if you're parked at a